Hi, Marcia. So this is how I insert content into that weekly schedule document. So I'm just going to grab those documents that Angela sent us, and here's the Wednesday documents, and I'm going to open them up so they're ready for me. So here's the math menu. And the first thing I'm going to do is copy the link for this math menu. So I'm going to click share. Okay, and I'm going to do get link at the bottom. And it says anyone on the internet with this link can view. We just want kids to view it, not edit it. So I'm going to click copy link. Link is copied. And now I'm going to go into my Schoology course. I have this open in a different tab. I'm going to go into my course. Okay. And then I'm going to click open my weekly schedule. And remember, the way I click it open is I go to this gear at the bottom and click open editor. And I'm going to make this a little bigger with the magnifying glass. I'm going to go to 100. Okay, so now I'm ready to insert that link that I just copied from the menu. The way I insert that link is I highlight the text where I want to insert it. So I want to put it under ELA activities, and then I'm going to click the link button at the top. And I had the link from last week in here, so I can delete that down here at the bottom where it says link, and then I can just do Command V and paste in that link from the menu Angela sent us, and I can click apply. So then when my kids click this, it will take them to that math menu. And I just clicked the link again to test it, and you can see there it is for my kids. It'll take them to that math menu. Okay, I'm going to repeat for the math menu that she sent. So here it is in her email. I'm going to click it open. I'm going to copy this link by going to the share button. And then at the bottom it says copy link. And then I'm going to go back to my menu. It opened up right here. I'm going to go back to my weekly schedule here. And for the math, I'm just going to highlight the math activities. And I'm going to click the little link button once it's highlighted. I can delete the old link from last week, and I can do Command V, paste in the link I just copied, and click apply. And if I want to test it, I can just click on it and it will show me a little thumbnail of what it is. Or if you want to click all the way, you can click on that blue title to make sure that that gateway is correct. So you're going to do the same thing for the word study activity and for the calming activity. And we do not have a social studies activity, so you don't have to worry about that. And there you go. Let me know if you have questions.